Smiling ako? So now we are setting up our grill here. Grill. Ganda yung bakit tabi. We have our meat. Asin lang. I think it's nice and hot now. We can put our meat here. Medyo problematic yung setup natin kasi medyo matangkad pero bawian na lang sa dami ng charcoal. What a beautiful day it is to do a beach vlog. There you go. Ang solution na lang sa problem is binaba namin na lang. So yun, para hindi na siya maging problematic. What a beautiful day it is to do a beach vlog. Kasi from 7 now to 3 PM is my schedule ng brown out. So there's no electricity for 6 hours. That's a bummer. So my family decided to do a beach vlog. Good. Look at that smoke. So yeah, balikan ko kayo pag tapos ko nitong grill. My God, look at that Mayon volcano view. Shit, that shit is beautiful, man. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, look how that meat is cooking. Oh my God. Yun, sorry pero medyo konti pa yung energy pa natin. I'll up the ante mamaya kasi kakagising ko lang and diretso na kami punta dito. Pagkatapos nito, I'm gonna chill, gonna rest and enjoy this beach day. Beach day Sunday. If you can just smell what I'm smelling right now. Oh my God. Just listen to it. Ooh, all the fat cooking. Ano na?
Oy, mak. Yan na i-picture man.
Model!
Takoy ng tao. So yeah, we are now here at Marilima Beach. Yeah, it's just a chill day kasi day kuryente. Si ate. So yun, na pagtanto na lang na mag-beach day na lang and chill and relax habang para pag nakapunta sa bahay ay meron ng kuryente. The ambience in this place is massive. Oh. Beautiful view, you can see the Mayon and all that stuff. So this is what vacation is for, diba? Marala sa man ikaw?
Chloe. Hi guys, nakalimak.
Oh ya, kiss ya.
Kiss lagi kami ko. Lagi kami ko kiss. Hug. Bless.
Grabe, pinagi po.
Kiss mo na kami ko, kiss mo.
Kali. So that is now the conclusion of the vlog. It was a short and quick fun vlog that I did. Definitely for memory purposes lang. And yun, I'm here, I don't know where I am, pero yun, nagmotor. Ako na lang pinagamit magmotor kasi sila ko yan na yung doon na lang sila sa kotse. And yun, this was a fun day. I hope you enjoyed it maski konti lang. So yeah, I hope you had fun. This is only for memory purposes. Yeah. And I am now back at home. Dito na ako sa kwarto. Hindi ako nakapag-outro doon kasi ang dami ng taong dumadaan. So yun, subscribing if you're new to the channel, it really helps a lot, diba? So yun, and yeah, in case that I don't see you, good morning, good evening, and good night.